Hello everyone. Today we are doing Varnmala. Varnmala has two parts, Swar and Vyanjan. Today we are doing Vyanjan. So please repeat after me. K, K, G, Gh, Ana, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Y, T, Th, D, Dh, Ana, T, Th, D, Dh, N, P, F, B, Bh, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S,